Hello, my name is Hong. Today I will be performing skill video on tracheostomy care. I already verified the physician order as well as verified the patient on the chart. The patient had no known allergy. And I also already did the 6 of med administration. I will now enter the patient room. I will assist the patient up in high Fowler position. The reason why my mannequin doesn't go any higher is because when I received this mannequin, there were no support to make it go any higher. But for the sake of this video, we will pretend my patient is currently in high Fowler position. I did a full set of vitals. I also will place my patient on continuous pulse oximetry. I will suction as needed, and and I will remove any source of oxygen. My patient doesn't have any oxygen sources, but if the patient does, we will remove it before we start the procedure. Okay, I perform hand hygiene and will set up my supplies. Okay, I open this kick away from my body. We'll remove the sterile field. Make sure I only touch the sterile field on the outside, which is the shiny side. It will also be the side that will go onto the table. We'll remove the sterile glove. Leave it here for now. And I will carefully lift up this box up and dump my supply in the middle of the sterile field. Okay, I will place this box near the patient to make sure I don't cross the sterile field. Okay, now I will perform hand hygiene. Put on gloves. Okay. In this kit, I on the top section is a half hydrogen peroxide mixed with half sterile saline. As in the bottom we have sterile saline. Okay. Now we will suction if needed. I will carefully remove the inner cannula. I withdraw it following the natural curvature. Okay. And I will place it in hydrogen peroxide solution. Okay, from here we also will remove the tracheostomy gauze. Okay, discard. Now I will remove the gloves. I didn't roll the gloves because I would like to save my supply in case I have to redo this video. So discard. Perform hand hygiene. And now I will put on sterile glove. Make sure to open it away from the sterile field. With my non-dominant hand, I will pick up the gloves away from sterile field. Okay. And then with this hand, I will put under the cuff here. Yep. Okay. Now the EL evaluator said to not to worry about it, so I will just leave it there. We do not have to remove this paper per the EL evaluator skill video. Okay, now that I have my hand clean, I can rearrange my supplies here. Okay. These are gauze. And then these are tracheostomy gauze. Okay. For now, I will soak the Q-tip in the sterile saline. Let it soak. Okay. With my so-called dirty hand is clean, but with my dirty hand, I will clean the trachea, the cannula right now. Pick up the cannula and clean it. Okay. Give a clean, clean, clean. Okay. Now I place it back to let it soak. Discard. Okay. With my so-called dirty hand, I will stabilize the trach. And then pick up the cannula. I will reinsert the cannula following the natural curvature. Okay, there. Now we will clean the trach. Okay, pick up, clean, clean, clean. Discard. Yep. Clean, clean, clean. Discard. Go. Discard. Now I will take the one of the trach. Okay, dry. Discard. Okay. Now we are no longer sterile. I will put on the new tracheostomy gauze. There. Okay. Now I will go ahead and replace the tie. Okay. Discard. Discard. Normally I have will be I'll have two people. I will have an assistant to help me. So for the sake of this video, I will pretend the assistant is right here and stabilize the trach for me while I replace the tie. Okay, I have a new tie right here. Okay, the assistant is stabilize the trach for me while I replace this. Okay, I will go behind the resident. While I'm doing this, I will make sure to leave some room so the patient is comfortable when I tie that. And make sure I tie a double knot away from the resident. Okay. And then I will get the last gauze and put it under the knot to help protect the resident's skin. Wrapped it, and then I will put tape on it. Okay, get some tape. I will put tape over the knot to secure it. Okay. Now it look like this. Yep. Okay. I will place the patient back in, put the patient back into the lowest position. I will ask the resident if he has any question or any more thing, if anything else he needed. He say no, nothing else. I will place the call light next to the resident, and I will gather everything, clean up the area. Area now clean. The patient doesn't need anything else. The patient has a call light next to him, and the bed is in back in the lowest position. Now I remove the gloves. Perform hand hygiene, and exit the room. That's it for the skill video today. Thank you.